who are here today. And in particular, let me also welcome the President General of the Nnamdi Youth, my very good brother, who came all the way from Owerri this morning to be with us. Comrade Ibayaka, who all of you are aware was kidnapped in Owerri by the police on the instruction of the Ebonyi government over a trumped-up allegation of terrorism, castrated for months in Ebonyi State. They put him in the boot of the car from Owerri to Ebonyi. We have been fighting for his release, and thank God Almighty, Comrade Ibayaka or Ibayaka have been released, and he is here to show solidarity to our people. Comrade, you are welcome. And I will appeal to Governor of Ebonyi State and the police command in Ebonyi to discontinue that frivolous charge fight against our brother, the president of Igbo Youth. It's very insulting that the president of Nnamdi Kanu Youth can be kidnapped like a common criminal over Trump-up charges. We have great respect for Governor Wilfred of Ebonyi, and such things, his name should not be associated with it. Thank the federal government for coming to our rescue first when we raised the alarm on UGOCHINYERE erosion. 25 billion for the erosion control, and the work started. Before the state government wrote that they want to take over and complete. The state government for also keeping their commitment to complete the project. We have seen work that is ongoing, and we hope it will be completed in due time. But let me also plead and beg again that yes, we are resolving the UGOCHINYERE erosion problem, but there's other devastating erosion problem that is about to cut it out from civilization. We have the UGOCHINYERE erosion that has gone out of control. We also have the Pro-Wike erosion, site 1, site 2, site 3, up to Ozuome, that is about to carry both the St. Jude Catholic Church, both the Palace of the King, and other federal infrastructure that we have here. It's so devastating in the rural that farmlands have been cut. Up to Isiogbo Obodo, because of the abandonment of the World Bank project. The World Bank invested close to 9 billion. But because of the greed of the state government then, World Bank pulled away from site, and our people are currently dying. So let me appeal to the federal government once again, and the Minister of Works and the Minister of Environment, please find a way to intervene in UGOCHINYERE erosion and that of Uduaghan, which is killing our Some of you have asked me for my reaction on the video broadcast about that was made by the separatist group that alleged that the government of Imo State contracted them to assassinate. So painful that we've been trying to forget the event that happened on this very ground here in our compound that led to the execution of our family members, especially Uncle Dan and other people, and so on and so forth, for doing nothing. We knew where the attack came from. But it's so unfortunate that up to now, the Nigerian police have not been able to find those behind these assassinations that led to the death of our loved one and bombing of our home. But I will call on the National Security Advisor, the President and the IG of Police. I have sent that video to the NSA and to the IG of Police to investigate that new revelation that the government in Imo State contracted those who came here to kill our people and attempted to kill. We want nothing but justice for our fallen heroes, and then also to avoid them from repeating this heinous crime against our people. Let me criminality. Our mothers can no longer fast. Our people are scared to go to the farmland. I want the federal government to consider these security challenges around the axis of the world of Israel and counter our soldiers who are doing very well and our police. But let me also appreciate the Niger police who have deployed a new tactical team, and the chief of army staff have also created a unit of them. Also, the federal government under section 174-176, the Attorney General can issue knowledge, like he did in the case of Sowora and other people, to give our people a sense that they believe that when issues come up that involve the people will also be treated fair. Let this trial be discontinued and let the president convene a national peace and reconciliation summit to address all these challenges that have led to increasing security in our land. And releasing our brother, Nnamdi Kanu, is a critical step towards achieving that.
Yes, sir.
Multiple suits filed at the Federal High Court, especially the one also filed against the National Publicity Secretary, which is in Court 7, to ensure that they restrain with injunction in the night all NWC members, to ensure that the party are giving no NWC because they have lost majority in the NWC. And also to inform you that because of this crisis, which we all must stand up to find solution to now, that I can confirm to you that 2 more governors from our party wants to become, and 14 lawmakers also wants to become. Averting this imminent danger, which will happen in a matter of days, that the NWC must immediately rise up and summon an emergency meeting of the party with their simple majority which they already have, with or without Damagu, to expel Anyanwu, the political traitor, from the party, and also ratify the removal of Damagu by appointing a North Central person as the acting substantive national chairman of our party. This is not difficult. NWC, this is not difficult. Do this before what is left goes away. And also to adopt the report of the Kimi report, completely suspending and removing Anyanwu from the party. And also the expulsion of Wike from the party. And you people not men. Somebody has vowed to bury the party and not done anything. And if NWC fails to act, the consequence is that those remaining, they are going to do what? Go. And nothing will be left of the party. And also to inform you that those multiple applications, even extends to me at Court 11 to declare my seat vacant with forged documents at the same Federal High Court. They have gone there again. We are fighting it, but the whole world must know, because these men have no shame. And that the PDP did not do any wrong to them. They decided to hold the party because of their stomach. So let those governors who are still committed rise up and ensure that the right thing is done. And I want to question the rationale behind the appointment of Governor Victory as chairman of the convention committee.